it is.
You want to change it to another one? Eject. Oh, yeah.
Huh? Oh, sorry. Ow! Did you just? I said fast forward, you didn't hear that? I'm like, big deal. More.
There's like a bug in here.
You killed it?
Maybe. Please don't kill what, Mom? Please don't kill what, Mom?
Please don't kill what, Mom? Why that?
Because Mom wrote it. Because my mom wrote it.
My teeth hurt. Stop eating it because they're so good. Stop eating them!
Stop eating. But they are so motherfucking good.
They hurt my teeth.
Yeah, they hurt mine. I couldn't eat them. I like the burnt ones. Burnt ones on. Oh, I got
those. White chocolate gummy ones. Yes.
Why? Just because they're fun.
You take that!
You take that!
Oh, we'll go back to that one where everyone fucking bomb freaking
yogurt, yeah. Bomb. So does it really matter?
Sometimes, but most of the time, no. Gotta clean it up a little bit.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
it's like it's not raining anymore.
Yeah. You wanna go?
We are across from Seattle. That is Seattle. Space Needle is right over there. You can see it in the left corner. And we are at the Alki Beach, chilling, eating some candy. It was raining, but it seems to be getting a little better, so Karina feels good about that.
Well, you can see something else. We could see the water in front of us. And I think.
Yeah, it was. I love the city. I wish we could just fly and go over there.
Well, the plane goes behind the clouds and see the clouds. Oh, damn. Really bright one.
It's so pretty. Can't believe how clear it is right now. Let's go out. Come on out. You want to?
Hold on. I'm almost done.
Okay. Woo! What's that?
Should we take the camera now?
Why not?
Because I don't want it to get wet.
It's not wet. It won't be. It's not raining.
Let's check. You keep it safe then.
Dog turds! Dog turds everywhere!
Really?
Yeah, watch out! Yeah, it's okay, they're not here. Look. Look, a bag of trash, everybody. Fucking garbage.
Okay, so this is a bulkhead. This is what we learned in oceanography. So when there's weight,
let me put this around my
the
wrist.
energy comes and it goes down in here and that's all I know. So great. I saw a bulkhead. We're in Seattle. Alright. Ooh, it's chilly. This thing's wet. So, it's like 50 degrees out here. Right now. It feels good though. No, I think it's less than 50.
Yeah, I think it's nicer than that because it's not.
Oh, like, look at this thing with water. Alright,
Watch out for the turds.
I don't have to put in my feet.
And this is us. We are here.
A little chilly too. It looks good though.
We're all out of the car. Are we done here?
Done.
I hope I didn't get any turds on my shoe.
Alright,